Biotech stocks that could double your money. These companies offer some of the most innovative technologies in the life sciences industry. January 16, 2021. Biotech stocks have been extremely popular among investors in 2020. Over the past year, the iShares Nasdaq Biotechnology ETF, Nasdaq IBB, an industry indicator, has returned over 33%, compared to the S&P 500's 14% return during the same period. It's clear that a lot of eyes are on producers of testing supplies, drugs, and vaccines for the coronavirus. The extraordinary attention paid to coronavirus stocks has left other top-notch biotechs out of the spotlight. I think that many of them are undervalued because of it. Let's look at why a blue-chip drug maker focused on rare diseases and a CRISPR gene therapy developer have the potential to double your money. The first stock is CRISPR Therapeutics. CRISPR Therapeutics, Nasdaq CRSP, has already made investors richer with a 235% return over the past year. Right now, it is leveraging its gene editing technology to help patients overcome hereditary blood disorders such as sickle cell anemia and beta thalassemia. These cause severe, life-threatening deformities in patients' red blood cells and occur in over 360,000 newborns worldwide each year. The company proposes to alleviate the illnesses by transfusing genetically modified stem cells containing fetal hemoglobin into patients, and having the cells mature into normal adult hemoglobin. During a Phase 1/2 interim data release, patients' hemoglobin levels improved to those of healthy adults between 5 to 18 months after transfusion. Even better, CTX-001, the company's treatment, was well tolerated. The results, although early, are nothing short of incredible, as even novel treatments for sickle cell disease cannot go as far as normalizing patients' hemoglobin levels. However, CRISPR Therapeutics isn't only interested in curing blood disorders. It is also applying its gene editing expertise to the field of allogeneic T-cell therapy for cancer treatment. This process involves first programming T-cells' genetic data from healthy donors so they target and kill cancer cells. Afterward, the enhanced cells are mass-produced and stored. They are then custom-matched to patients based on their type of cancer mutation. The technique has much higher efficacy and availability than the more traditional autologous T-cell therapy, which involves extracting T-cells directly from cancer patients, altering their components, and then transfusing them back into the patients. The whole procedure can take up to 3 weeks and produce only a single course of therapy. The company's most promising therapeutic candidate in this field is CTX-110. In a Phase 1 interim data release, 12 patients with late-stage lymphoma received CTX-110 transfusions. Out of 8 participants who received the higher doses, 4 of these patients developed a complete response with no serious side effects. A complete response is defined as the total elimination of tumor or cancer activity. Considering that a single novel and effective cancer treatment can have a valuation upward of $10 billion, there is definitely a tremendous amount of potential for CRISPR Therapeutics' pipeline. Furthermore, the company has about $1 billion in cash and equivalents on hand, which is more than enough to offset its $211.3 million in operating and research cash use. CRISPR will surely more than double investors' money again if it develops any functional cure or effective genetic treatments in its clinical trials.